Here's how to manage your contact list in CloseDaily. From your dashboard, click the CRM dropdown, then select Contacts. This is your full contact list. Every lead, client, and sphere contact is right here. Use the search bar at the top to find any contact by name, email, or phone number. You can filter your list by pipeline stage. For example, show only contacts who are under contract. Filter by contact type to see just your buyers, sellers, or investors. Use the temperature filter to focus on your hot, warm, or cold leads. Click any column header to sort your contacts. Try sorting by last touch to find contacts you haven't reached out to recently. Select multiple contacts with the checkboxes to perform bulk actions like adding tags or assigning to a drip campaign. Click any contact name to open their full profile, where you can manage their pipeline, schedule follow-ups, and more. Stay organized and never let a lead slip through the cracks. Start free at CloseDaily.com.